If your Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting, the problem is usually not the internet alone. It can come from your router, device settings, signal interference, or even outdated software. The mistake most people make is restarting everything randomly. A better approach is to isolate the cause. Here's how to fix it systematically. 1. Restart router and device. Start with the simplest fix. Turn off the Wi-Fi router for about 30 seconds, then turn it back on. Restart your phone, laptop, or device too. This clears temporary connection issues and often solves short-term drops. If the problem disappears after this, it was likely a temporary router session issue. 2. Check signal strength. Weak signal is one of the most common reasons Wi-Fi disconnects. Walls, concrete, and distance reduce signal strength. Move closer to the router and test again. If the connection improves near the router, the issue is coverage, not your device. 3. Router placement matters. Most people place routers in poor locations, near walls behind furniture. On the floor, better placement, elevated position. Central area, open space. This improves signal distribution dramatically. 4. Too many connected devices. Every connected device shares bandwidth. Phones, TVs, laptops, cameras, and smart devices can overload a weak router. If many devices are connected, temporary disconnects become more common. Try disconnecting unused devices and test stability. 5. Forget and reconnect network. On your phone or laptop, forget the Wi-Fi network, then reconnect using the password again. This refreshes saved connection settings and can fix authentication issues. It often solves random drop problems after password changes or router resets. 6. Update router and device software. Outdated software causes instability. Check router firmware, phone software, laptop network drivers. Manufacturers release fixes for connection bugs regularly. Skipping updates often creates hidden problems. 7. Interference from other devices. Many household devices interfere with Wi-Fi. Microwave ovens, Bluetooth devices, nearby routers, wireless cameras. This is especially common on crowded 2.4 GHz networks. Using 5 GHz, if available, often improves stability. 8. ISP or router hardware problem. If all devices disconnect at the same time, the issue may be internet provider instability, old router hardware, faulty cables. At that point, testing another router helps identify the real source. Strategic insight. Wi-Fi disconnection usually comes from one of 4 areas: weak signal, router overload, software issues, ISP instability. The fastest diagnosis is check if all devices disconnect or only one. That instantly tells you whether the problem is your device or the network itself. Final conclusion: Wi-Fi problems are usually fixable without replacing equipment. Start with restarting, checking signal, repositioning router, updating software. Stable Wi-Fi is not just about internet speed.